Hello, and welcome to another FX Centrum trade idea. So, trade idea for this week, from my view, is US100, and I will cover this more in depth. Potential for the bigger drop is incoming on the US100. So, let me just go through the reasons behind this. From my view, in the last couple of months, the US100 and US indices overall had more like a distribution and contraction that is something that usually will result with a bigger drop in the next period. And the breakout that happened yesterday is something that I was waiting for. So we had a breakout of this consolidation and the breakout of the lower Bollinger Band, and this is the first breakout of the lower Bollinger Band, I will say, since pretty much for the whole year. We didn't have a break of the lower Bollinger Band on the US100. And on top of that, slow line on stochastic, as you can see here, is sloping to the downside in the last 10 days. The fast line had a correction, more like a consolidation at this point. And this is a great condition for the further downside development. So from my view, again, speaking of the short-term perspective, protective stop, I will say at 18,217, which is basically around this previous day high, just above the previous day high, and the middle Bollinger Band. But from the other side, the final, I will say, the downside objective short term is set all the way down at 16,300 mark and 16,200 mark. So this is the zone that I'm watching for the downside objective on the short term horizon. So basically there is at least 3 times bigger profit potential versus initial risk. Again, this is just guidance and for you to understand the reasons behind and my view on the US100. So a minimum, I see potential for the 3 times bigger potential objective versus initial risk. So if initial risk is, let's say, around 18,220, then we have a 16,200 mark like potential objective. Of course, there is even more chance for the bigger downside move below this level, but this will be like a first short-term downside objective on this market. If you take a look at the hourly time frame, it was a clean breakdown, a consistency, and just a tight consolidation. You can see that on hourly, we have expansion that is going on, not a contraction. So market is really hot and the downside momentum is very strong. So that will be the trade idea for this week. So US100 downside potential, a short term, with a protective stop around 18,220 mark. Hope that you like this video, but don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel and visit our website fxcentrum.com. Take care and have a good trading day.